So this is a good mom here, and this is how to go about Vlogmas if you are a mom creator or if you are even any creator. I want to lay emphasis on mom creators because I am a mom creator. Okay, so these are ways to easily go through Vlogmas. Firstly, if you do not know what a Vlogmas is, this is when creators over here on YouTube try to post content every day in the month of December. The aim of Vlogmas is to carry our audience along with what is happening in our lives during the Christmas holiday season. Okay, so this is a beautiful thing. I think it's also help us to send useful info to our audience. It could also be or just showing our lifestyle to our audience. So I think the idea of Vlogmas is a good one, and also it helps you to have a plan to how to become a consistent content creator. So these are the ways I think would help a mom creator or a creator in general to go through Vlogmas quite well this year. One, film as you are. It is Vlogmas. This is not a time I think you should want to make everything to be crepes. The video to always be only in a certain kind of way, unless you have a team of people who are working for you. You could of course achieve that, but if you are like me, you script yourself, you film yourself, you edit yourself, you post yourself, and you also have other things to do besides um content creating. You would have to learn how to just cut down the being perfect thing. Two, you do not have to do all the things. Okay, so I've seen people here who have said it is Vlogmas that you should show how you change your room decor for the Christmas season, do all that. See, if we want to be very honest with ourselves, not everyone actually change up their home decor for the different season of the year. Not everyone changes for spring, summer, fall, and winter. Not everyone. Okay, so you do not have to break the bank or try to get yourself involved in things you can't afford. You can actually say those things, how you think people could change their home in the Christmas season. Just talk about it and show it somewhere in the background of what you feel, and not do it. It is also a way to make sure that you're putting out content out here without spending too much. Okay, now if you're a mom creator and you have a baby, you should know that Vlogmas, in one way or the other, your child or your children are going to be all around you. They are no longer in school, or if they are toddlers who are not yet in school, they'll be all around you. And if you're a mom who is not very comfortable having your child's face over in the internet like I am, it is okay to know that they will be around you, but you can find ways in not putting their face out there. So when you hear the sound of a baby crying or the sound of a baby playing, it is my child. Okay, I can't do anything, so I'll just have to let him do as I do mine. So let him work as I work my here on the Vlogmas. Then another way to go around Vlogmas for is to go live. If you are able to go live, I think it's a very good idea. It will also help you to increase your watch hours. In case you do not know, I found out that over here on YouTube, you must be able to have 50 subscribers to be able to go live. I just have 10 as at the time of making this video, but I think that going live every day is also Vlogmas. You do not have to script to edit a video every day for upload. You could just find a way of going live every day even if it's for maybe 30 minutes, an hour. I think it's a beautiful thing to, I think it's a beautiful way to go around Vlogmas. Now, for content creating during Vlogmas, there are a lot of content I think are very Christmassy. They are Christmas themed and they are beautiful. One, it could be gifts. Next one is to always take your audience out with you. You maybe going out to get something at the mall, take us with you. Okay, there might be things that we do not know are in some malls until you show us that they're in the malls. Okay, so when you're going to Target next time, take us there on Target. You do not even have to really edit a vlogmas. It could be just you being in the mall and you film everything, put a voice over you saying something else over it, and I think that could also count as a vlogmas. So if you also have ways of on how we can go around vlogmas, I would love to hear it in the comment section. And until then, bye.